In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Select Open in pop-up view and enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To change it into a bubble, click on Home button and then access it by tapping on the bubble. To use more options of pop-up view, click on this blue line at the top and manage all of those options. To close it, you can also swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!